Russell also talks about the different phases of growth that we can experience. First, we learn, we listen to audiobooks, we attend seminars, we go down this rabbit hole of consuming knowledge. Then he talks about the reporter stage or phase where you put on your reporter hat. You interview experts, you get closer to them, you join a network or a club, but then at some point we need to shift from consumption to contribution, which is phase 3. At some point you need to take action on what you've learned and apply it through helping others. Helping others with your knowledge allows you to apply it in multiple industries, in multiple scenarios. This is the pinnacle of learning or personal growth, and on top of that you get to help others achieve their goals. This is how you get super wise and how you become an expert. Russell Brunson says contribution is the key to continuous growth. I contribute by dissecting and teaching, which leads to the expansion of my mind and the minds of others.